gorgeous love at first sight for me. I can tie knots.
Namaste everyone. Welcome to the handmade queendom of knots, Knot Square. Here, knots come together as soulful products and strike an everlasting chord, turning clients into our knot ambassadors. From handcrafted macrame pieces to vibrant markets, thoughtful written gifts to meaningful knotting experiences, Knot Square is where creativity, community, and craft come together. And knotting it all together is our knot queen. With cords in one hand, dreams in the other, and a heart full of big, bold ideas. She is a happy soul, a knotter of cords and conversations, a maker of things from tags to tails. Before the knotting rooms, she ruled the training rooms, facilitating, coaching, and helping others grow. And when she did it with such passion for others, how could she not do the same for herself? She took the leap and gave her dreams a fair shot. She is none other than Archana Harish, the founder of Knot Square.
It all started in 2020 when I was randomly going through some YouTube video. The person here was talking about her recent travel to Bali and what are the different things she bought from there. And that's when I saw this gorgeous wall hanging in the backdrop, and it was love at first sight for me. She said that she bought this piece as well from Bali, and how it is so famous there. And I was like, wow, what is this thing that people are buying it all the way from Bali, and why is it not that famous in our country yet? All right, I didn't even know what it was called, and I got to know that it's called as macrame. Learned a bit more about it. I was so curious, I wanted to understand more about it. I got to know that it is about knots, and I was like, I can tie knots. And that's how I ordered my first set of threads. I made my first macrame piece, and within 2 days, believe it or not, within 2 days, Knot Square was born and launched on Instagram. The thought of I want to run a business, do something in the creative space was continuously lingering in my mind. And when I learned that I could tie a couple of knots, there was no looking back.
Well, it began with learning a few basic knots from YouTube, and just like that, a world of ideas opened up. I found myself imagining all the possibilities these knots could become. So, whenever I need help, even now for that matter, I refer back to tutorial videos. It's been a journey of exploring, experimenting, and learning as I go.
Oh, that's an interesting, and a lot of thought has gone behind that name. So, knot square, when you interchange the words, it becomes square knot. Square knot is a very popular and widely used knot in macrame, and our name is derived from it. So, knot square means junction of knots, and now we proudly say the queendom of knots.
At Knot Square, we have always shared it all, from knotting and packing orders to celebrating our knot ambassadors, market days, and knotting experiences. This space, it's for more. More stories, more conversations, more connection, and of course, more knots, with the intent to turn all of you into proud knot ambassadors. We don't have a detailed plan yet, we are knotting it out as we go, and we would love to hear your ideas. If it strikes a chord with us, we will knot it out just for you.
Hey, it's getting dark out there and we will lose out on natural light. So, how about we do a part 2 of this? And before you go, make sure that you've subscribed. Thank you.